Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making easy cinnamon rolls, except without the yeast. I know, without the yeast? What are you talking about? Well, we're going to give this recipe a try. It's got baking powder in it and baking soda to replace the yeast. And we're going to make it pretty quickly. So this is so that you don't have to wait all that time for the dough to rise. Have I made this before? No. Do I really know how they're going to turn out? Not exactly, because I haven't made it before. But we're going to be making it together and trying it together too. So we'll find out. Can you make cinnamon rolls without yeast and then still be so delicious? Let's find out. I'm also making them because kiss the yeast goodbye, the leavening and proofing. Wish me luck, the same to you. But I won't regret making this recipe, making cinnamon rolls. Regret? Can you ever regret making cinnamon rolls? Yeast or no yeast? I think not. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing you're going to want to do is get your 9-inch cake pan nicely greased and ready to go. Let's make the filling first. Half a cup unsalted, very soft butter. Half cup light brown sugar. 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon. Mix together by hand or with your mixer. Let's make the dough. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon fine salt. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Whisk together. 1/4 cup canola oil. Mix until incorporated. Add 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Mix until it just starts to come together. Lightly flour your surface. Knead until smooth and not so sticky. Roll out into a 15 by 8-inch rectangle. Spread your filling over the dough. Roll up into a tight cylinder. Cut into 8 equal pieces. I'm just going to score it first. Put the rolls in your prepared pan. I spaced my rolls out a bit. At this point, you could cover with plastic wrap and stick in your refrigerator for a couple days or even freeze them. I'm going to bake them right away for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're a nice golden color. While the rolls are in the oven, let's make that glaze for the top. 4 ounces of cream cheese, very, very soft, room temperature. Make sure that the cream cheese is really, really soft and smooth. Add in a cup of confectioner sugar. Add 1 teaspoon whole milk. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Time's up and they look lovely and golden. Oh, yum. Let them sit for about 3 to 4 minutes and then we'll put the glaze on top. Time to add that glaze on top. Oh, yes. All I have to say is, kiss the yeast goodbye. I don't miss it. Look at this. It smells like a delicious cinnamon roll. It looks like a delicious cinnamon roll. And you can see the swirl in there and that lovely glazing on top. Only one thing left to do, and that is the taste test. Going in. Mmm. Mmm. This is a delicious, really fast cinnamon roll when you don't have time to do that proving part, which takes a couple of hours for that yeast to kind of do its thing. Thumbs up, easy, no yeast cinnamon rolls. As for what the difference is, a yeasted cinnamon roll, you can definitely tell the dough is slightly different. This dough is much more cake-like, but that is not a bad thing. This is still a delicious cinnamon roll you can make on the fly any time of day or night. Enjoy. If I can make easy, no yeast cinnamon rolls for the first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and let me know those recipe requests and songs too.